Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel MTech and one of my videos. So in this video I'm gonna work custom watermark. So before starting, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with your friends, and if you have any technical issues if you face with any issue in your computer, please do not forget to write it in comments, so I will make a video tutorial for that. So let's launch our Microsoft Word 2016, and let's work on custom watermark. So let's come to design menu, and after that come to watermark and custom watermark. So watermark is something that you can put it in behind of your paper, like it will be a text, or it will be uh, some logo or picture. So let's work, and in here you can choose text watermark, and also language. You can choose the language English United States, and also you can choose any other language you want it. You can text here, and also you can change the font. You can change the size of the font, and you can choose the font color. So I like dark blue or this color. So you can choose the layout diagonal or horizontal. You can choose one of them. So I will change the text, and I will text it M take. So let me M take. So, and you can apply it, and okay. So see guys, it's like not in, and it's like behind your text. Okay, let me take something here, and you can see it how it looks. So I will just copy it again and paste it. I see it's like something you can write, do not copy, or copyrights, or the name of your center, learning center, the name of your company, or anything that you wanna just show that it's this chapter or this text belongs to you. Okay. Or if you want to put the logo of your company, so let me open my browser and search some logo. So logo dot png. I will find some PNG logo. If it's not PNG, you can just yeah. If it's not PNG, you can make it PNG in Adobe Photoshop. So I think it's PNG. Let me save this picture in desktop. So I will find desktop and name it logo, and save. So let's come back to Microsoft Word and watermark and custom watermark. And from here, you can choose a picture watermark, select picture, and work offline. You can choose browse. And also from there, you can choose from browser Bing. Okay, because I already Bing and apply. So if the tick mark washout is marked, so it will show it like not clear. Okay, when you unmark this, it will show a little bit more clear and more visible. I mean the transparency. See, you can bring this behind of the paper, your company logo, or your learning center logo, your university. So that was it. We had two kind of watermark. First, we had picture watermark, or we had the text watermark, and from here you can choose the size of this logo. For example, let's choose 500, 200. You can just make the changes, or if you want to make it more small, like uh, very very small, you can choose 50%. No, it's not, it's too much small. Okay, 100%, I think it's gonna be okay. Yeah, so let me zoom out the screen. You can see it's now, it looks more cool. You can put your logo behind the text, chapters, or anything that you want. So if you want to remove this watermark, you can just remove watermark. Okay, that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. At the end, if you have any question or if you face any problem, so you can ask me in the comments. So I will make a video tutorial for that. So thank for watching this video. At the end, till next video, goodbye, see you.